Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over the BSB Tripwire functionality that you can find in the BSB dashboard login. So we've developed a functionality for you, the binary traders, in order to identify key entry points for various currency or commodity or stock pairs that you trade on binary options platforms. And we've done this because there's a lot of information overload. If you are monitoring 6 charts or 12 charts on 2 screens or 18 charts on 3 screens, you may identify trade opportunities in the Euro US dollar or in the AUD JPY or in the AUD USD or other major currency pairs, and you may just miss them as time goes by. And what the Tripwire does is it keeps you disciplined, that you set price levels, and when those price levels are actually met by the market, there's a big audio alert that goes off, and that's when you can go ahead and enter the trade, so that you're not taking trades too early and ending up, getting into the martingale process, which can be very risky. And secondly, it also allows you to be kept abreast of more trade opportunities as opposed to just watching 1 or 2. But let's see how this works in real time. So the time right now is approaching 13:30 UK time, so that's about 12:30 GMT. And I'm looking at the Euro US dollar 30-minute chart. And I think here that it's possible that this trend may continue downwards. So I'd like to go call here. Okay? So that's a Euro US dollar chart. So I would place, typically what I would normally do is I'd place some kind of a line or a graphical marker to just allow me to see that, okay, if the price gets there, I'll go ahead and log into my binary options platform and take the call trade for 30 minutes or an hour. And let's say I repeat this process for the AUD JPY, the Euro AUD, and the USD Canadian and the US dollar Japanese yen. I could do this for a lot of currency pairs, but then the problem is information overload. A lot of these currency pairs may actually hit those levels, but I'll just forget, or I won't notice it and it'll be too late. So that's where the BSB Tripwire comes in. I just log into my dashboard. And at this moment you can see I have no alerts set for any pairs. I just simply go on over to the Add Tripwire button. Okay. And I can name each alert. So for example, for the Euro US dollar that I showed you earlier, I want to call it Lower Bollinger Bounce. Currency pairs Euro US dollar. The current price is 1.29310. The system tells me that. And I want the trigger to happen when the price reaches 1.29207. So, one moment. 1.29207. And if it goes below that level, and the status is active, and I just click on save. Okay, and I've set one alert. And I do this for all my currency pairs. I do this typically at the beginning of the trading day or every few hours, so that I'm set for the next few hours and I don't have to worry that I'm missing any trades. Now the thing is that the moment the Euro US dollar touches that yellow line, I'm going to get a big audio alert. Okay, and you can set as many alerts as you want. Now I use this in my own binary trading, and it increases my accuracy by 10 to 20% in the money. You take fewer trades, but you take much more precise trades. You don't get into the martingale process where, you take a call here for $15, another call here for $20. You just wait till the price reaches that level, you get an audio alert, you go ahead and enter your brokerage. So this can be a very powerful tool, the BSB Tripwire, in your binary trading. If you have any questions, just get in touch with us over Skype, Blue Sky Binary, or send us an email at support@blueskybinary.com.